Before we start, guys, please make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending, guys, thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Super quick, helpful video. If you have a problem where the AC blows hot air on the driver or the passenger side only, the other side blows cold air, but one of them is hot air, guys, please do not waste your money on diagnostics parts tools to fix that problem. It could be really simple fix. We'll explain on that Mercedes C Class generation W204 what you need to check. It could be quite simple fix. And by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts tools, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. You can see also where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We make mechanical repair videos, engines, transmissions, bodywork, electrical, engine, transmission codes, fuses. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the garage is, guys, to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, if you have a problem where the AC air conditioner blows hot on driver or passenger side only, the other side blows cold, now do not waste your money to replace compressors, have the AC serviced, anything like that, replacing AC compressor, switches, clutches, refrigerant, because most likely if one of the sides blows cold, it's okay. So we will explain in 9 out of 10 times what else can easily cause that, how to test that component. But guys, now first you want to do is check some climate control fuses. It's very important because you have multiple climate control sensors in the car that detect how much, what's the temperature on each side. So if something doesn't work correctly, that can cause it. But then we'll explain 9 out of 10 times what else can cause it as well. This Mercedes, before we check the fuses, has hidden fuse boxes. 9 out of 10 owners do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W204 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, guys. Very, very helpful video. We're going to go ahead and open the hood, and facing the engine here, you see that fuse box here. We need to go ahead and open the cover. Underneath you have that fuse box layout here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. That way you do not spend money on diagnostics, parts, repairs you may actually not even need. So guys, you have different kinds of fuses and relays. We're talking about the maxi fuses, standard fuses right here. You have, watch how many different kinds of relays as well. Now, these fuses, sometimes you can clearly see if a fuse is burnt or not by looking at the element. But sometimes it's really sneaky. They can burn here on the side. It's hard to see. Some fuses will not be visible as well. And we had people that will spend thousands of dollars in repairs, replacing modules, even engine computers, when all they had to do, they assumed they had a good fuse. They pulled it out, they saw it, and they assumed it was good. But guys, you can easily test these fuses, and on some of these, most of them, they have even the terminals on top that allows you to check them with a voltmeter and find out if it's good or bad. You see, that's a good fuse. If it's blown, okay, like this one here, it's blown, nothing. Check this thing out, no connection. One next to it, okay. Right here, let me get good contact point. That's a good fuse, guys. You can see you can test them. Now, relays are harder to test, but with the voltmeter, fuses are super easy to test. All we have to do is set it on that setting and practically your home resistance setting, and you can find, guys, okay, if it works or not. For instance, that one was the good fuse. You can see it's going to go down to 0 ohms resistance, or you can go ahead, remove it and test it the same way, guys. It should have 0 ohm resistance. Now, relays, guys, are a little bit more complicated, but it's doable. It will take you a minute or two to find out how to do that. Now, we'll put, guys, links to a video that will explain how to test relays, how to test fuses, which battery terminal you need to reconnect and disconnect first if you're doing repairs, because that can cause modules to burn as well, and that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair. Check out the videos, they will be in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. Guys, here in that fuse box we need to check just one fuse, then we need to go to a hidden fuse box, check some more. You see these fuses past the relay. The fuse numbers will be next to the fuses on the right side. That second fuse is fuse number 12. That will be the one that you will need to check. Then we need to come here. Okay, and this is just a positive jump starter terminal, right guys? Right here, you see it. Now, if you take it apart, this is actually a hidden pre-fuse box. You will have very important fuses there, and you may have, guys, okay, up to 3 different kinds depending on which model and year you have. So if you have a up to 2010 W204 C Class, guys, what we need to check here, we need to check fuse number 88 right here. Excuse me, fuse number 100 right here. Fuse number 100, you see where it points, right there. Then if you have the one without eco start stop function after 2010, you will, guys, need to check fuse number 158, right here, that fuse. And then if you have after 2010 with eco start stop function, you will need to check fuse number 160. We're talking about this one right here. Now, if that one checks out, okay, what do we need to check, guys? Now, let me show you something. Let's come here. A few things that you need to consider checking. Let me grab the camera now. Guys, if you have a problem where heater or AC doesn't blow what it's supposed to on one side, let's say, okay, the driver's side is messing up, what you need to check is climate control sensors, okay, where the temperature sensor read the temperature in the car, so it can detect, guys, okay, we have multiple locations in the roof, in the things, and make sure everything's working correctly. But if you have a dual climate control where you can change the temperature on the driver and the passenger side, that means that you have 2 devices behind the dash that can switch the temperature. Those devices are known. Let me show you here, okay, 1 second. As a blend door actuator. This one is behind the dash. It attaches to a flap that switches from hot to cold. Now, they will differ in shape and size, but the concept is very similar for many of those. And if we open it, guys, okay, let me show you what it looks like. This one unfortunately closed. I just had it open now. Inside, guys, okay, you're going to have many plastic gears. Let me show you here. And these plastic gears will often crack, break, or the motor will quit working. And as a result, okay, the climate control will be stuck in the wrong position. So, bad blend door actuator probably will be 70 to 90% of the time causing that problem. We will have a video on our YouTube channel, how to test blend door actuator, how to replace blend door actuator, and the symptoms of bad blend door actuator on a car. Check it out, but most of the times that will be the problem causing that problem, guys, on your Mercedes W204 C Class. In this Mercedes W204, you're going to have all kinds of different fuses and relays that sometimes are hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding one, guys. Replacement one, you may be stuck. It happened to us. So what we usually do, we buy some spare ones and we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share a link where you can get them at a really good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. That link will be in the description of the video below. Check it out for your convenience. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.